All right, hi. Let's look at a couple examples, harder examples of factoring, just the extension of the factoring polynomials. All right, so example 1, we're going to factor 3x times a plus b plus 5 times a plus b. I put that question here on purpose. I want you to look at it, see what is common between both these terms. So these are the two terms. What do you see that is showing up in both of them? All right, so let's go through the numbers, the process again. So 3 and 5, there are no common factors, so we can't really have anything there. There is no x for the second term, but look what else it has. It has a plus b in here and a plus b on the second term. That is your GCF. So GCF is a plus b. There's nothing wrong with having a binomial as a GCF. So when we do this, so you take the a plus b out and then open a bracket because it's a multiplication. Remember, when you're dealing with the factoring, means you're writing it as a product, as a multiplications of the monomial and a monomial and a monomial and a binomial and such and such. All right, so ab for the first term times 3x will give us the first term plus, and then the second will be 5, because 5 times ab is 5 times a plus b. Okay, 5, so a plus b, that's your GCF. Multiplying it by 3x will give you the first term. You're multiplying by the second term, give you the second term, and that is it. All right, example b. We have this trinomial. What is the GCF? Let's deal with the numbers first. We have 12 minus 8 minus 20. So in all of these cases, you notice that 4 is the number for the coefficient for the GCF. Okay, and now between m and m squared, m is the GCF that goes into all of them, and then between n and n squared, n is the GCF. Open the bracket. Now start doing a multiplication. We need to have 3 terms inside. So 4mn times 3n, that will give us the first term. Okay, that's the first term. Minus 8 and 4, that would be 2. mn is already included. I don't have to write that anymore. So 2 is on its own. Very good. Minus again. And then 20 and 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. And we have m squared on top here. We have m there. So we have to multiply by m. All right. So that's what we have done, by the way. Right. So here it is, one term at a time. And that will give you each of these terms back, right? That's the term back, that's the term back. All right, and that's your final answer. 4m and open the bracket, 3n minus 2 minus 5m, and that would be it.